Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a Shaggy smile cake. So what we have today, I have my cake crumbed. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead and watch Cake 101 and then meet me back here. But if you already have it crumbed, I'm going to tell you, you're going to need some any size circles. I have like small to medium size, just really probably only going to use 2 of them. I'm going to go ahead and make my imprints on the cake while it's crumbed. And then I'm going to outline a smile face with the black, and then I'm going to pipe over top of that. And then before we move on to the whole cake, I'm going to go ahead and pipe on the inside of my circle all yellow, which gives us our smiley face. And then after that, we're going to cover the whole cake in a like cream colored shag. All right, let's get started.